This is the entrance of the house, dining area, and the kitchen, living room, vaulted ceilings, office space, and walking through the living room, we come to the master bedroom. And this will be the laundry area. And goes through to the master closet area. Master closet. And into the master bathroom. So there'll be a counter space over here for me, a counter space over here for Floyd. And over here, there'll be a toilet with a pocket door and a walk-through shower. And then back into the master bedroom. And if we go back out across the main living area, there will be lockers here. This goes out to the garage. There'll be basement stairs there. There's a half bath here and a door to the back patio here. And here is the pantry right here. And then there'll be steps going up to the bonus room. This will be Brody's bedroom and Brody's closet, Jack and Jill bathroom with a toilet and shower here, and through to Zachary's room with Zachary's closet, and back out to here.